Let us proceed to understand the procedure of template registration on VIL Power. First of all, log into your VIL Power account, go to the template section, content templates, add button, choose the type of your template. If you want to send promotional messages like offers, discounts, any marketing campaigns, you will choose service explicit. In case if you want to send transactional or purely informative messages like OTPs, alerts or reminders, purchase confirmations, order status, you will choose service implicit category. In case if you have any doubts in both these categories, you can apply your content in both the categories. If you receive an approval for both, you will use the template ID which you have received for implicit category. Please note, transactional is a category only for banking organizations. So if you are a bank and want to send OTPs, you will select transactional category. Now here is the list of all the headers which are DLT approved for my organization. I can select multiple headers here which I want to get associated with this particular template. Now give the name of your template. I'll type a name which can help me to identify the exact SMS content of my template. So login OTP. Now you can type or just can copy paste your SMS content. I'll type here, hi name 1234 is your login OTP for brand name. Please note, brand name is a mandatory field to be included in SMS templates. This brand name could be the name of your product or your service name or simply your business name. Now I have insert variable button here and I have two variables in my SMS content. First is name, so I'll replace it with this button. In the same way, I'll replace this also with this button. So in this way, you can define variables in your SMS content. Now you're ready to click on the save button. Once you save it, it will get submitted to the concerned telecom operator for the approval. If you want to read more about the content template guidelines, you can just click on this link. If you want to check the status of your template, please go to the previous page. In this drop down, you can select and you can check the status of your templates. Once you click on this, you need to click on the search button to check it. Please note, this is the place once you receive the approval, you will be getting your template IDs. This template ID will be used with your SMS submissions. So we hope this video will help you to understand the procedure of template registration on VIL Power. Thank you.